If you want value at gusto mo talagang masulit ang pera mo, then get the iPhone 17 base model. Actually, nung una, it's either the iPhone 17 Air or the iPhone 17 Pro Max yung bias ko. But with the new iPhone 17 base model, the price is the same as the iPhone 16 base model from last year. But take note of this, may 120Hz display ka na. It has the same 18 megapixel center stage front-facing camera kagaya ng mga iPhone 17 Air, Pro and Pro Max. Naka-always on display na rin tong base model na to. May 6.3-inch screen, an upgraded ceramic shield 2 sa front. Though hindi naka-ceramic shield yung back unlike sa iPhone 17 Air, Pro and Pro Max. But it has an amazing battery which will last more than the iPhone 17 Air. Kasi sa iPhone 17 Air, meron daw tong 3,129 mAh of battery capacity, while the base model or the iPhone 17 base model, it will now have a 3,692 mAh of battery capacity na tatagal daw ng 30 hours. Now, for the camera, if you love 0.5 camera or yung ultra-wide camera like me, as in I find myself using the 0.5 camera more than the zoom lens or even yung ×1 lens, then you should definitely get the iPhone 17 base model. Since ngayon, 48 megapixel na yung main camera nito, and even dun sa ultra-wide camera, 48 megapixel na rin yan. So kahit naka 0.5 ka, high quality pa rin yung photos na makaka-capture mo using the ultra-wide camera or yung 0.5. Sa iPhone 17 Air kasi, since single camera lang yan, 48 megapixel main camera, wala siyang ultra-wide camera or in short, wala siyang 0.5. Next, it also has a decent chip na A19 chip. Bago nyo sabihin na mas maganda pa yung chip sa iPhone 17 Air, which is naka A19 Pro na yan, kagaya ng Pro and Pro Max, hindi mo siya manonotice unless you're a hardcore gamer or you're doing photo editing or video editing and even capturing videos, hindi mo talaga manonotice yung difference ng chipset niya. The only downside I think for the iPhone 17 base model is kaparehong-pareho niya, identical yung kanyang design sa iPhone 16 base model. But sabi ko nga, ito yung may mas value and mas masusulit mo yung pera mo kapag bumili ka. Though, if you have the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the 16 Pro Max or 16 Pro, 15 Pro, mas okay pa rin mag-upgrade ka sa Pro and Pro Max models. But if meron kang iPhone 11 or below or kahit iPhone 12 and 13, sobrang sulit mag-upgrade sa iPhone 17 base model. But comment down below if you want a deep comparison between the iPhone 17 base model, 17 Air, and the 17 Pro and Pro Max. And follow nyo na rin ako for more tech videos.